The Southside Historic Village is located at the Hookstown Fairgrounds. This video highlights the process of the FirstEnergy Glenn barn relocation and restoration project as of January 2012. To start the project, volunteers removed the barn siding, saving time and reducing the cost of the project. Contractor workers removed the metal roofing. There will be a new metal roof installed, so there is no need to reuse this material. Next, the workers removed the roof sheeting, then the rafters. Ready the timber frame to be removed by drilling the wooden pegs. Using a small crane, the timber frame is removed in sections and placed on the ground. The timber frame is loaded. And is transported to the new location. This project required a new foundation. The historical village arranged for the excavation and construction of the footer, again saving on the total cost. Sugar Creek builders laid the block walls and grouted them to the project's requirements. On-site restoration of damaged beams and posts were performed by Sugar Creek builders' craftsmen. Here, a new mortise and tenon joint was made by the Amish craftsmen. Once the restoration was completed, the timber frame is prepared for reassembly. The sections of the timber frame are assembled on the ground. Then they are lifted into place. The frame is held by temporary bracing. New wooden pegs are driven into the joints. And once all the timber frame is assembled, it is squared. Now the rafters are put into place. And the workers have laid a new floor. Now they begin nailing the roof sheeting. The new metal roof is installed. Along with new wood siding. New barn doors are put into place, and louvers and windows are added. Phase 1 of this project has now been completed.